Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we review online stores and expose scams so you can shop safely. Today's video is about a new website getting a lot of attention, Taima Titanium, a site claiming to sell premium titanium cooking products at surprisingly low prices. But is it legit or a scam? Let's find out. Taima Titanium presents itself as a high-end cookware store, offering lightweight titanium pots, pans, and kitchen tools. The website looks clean and modern, and the products seem premium, but scammers often use beautiful websites to trick customers, so we need to dig deeper. 1. Unrealistic discounts. Many items on Taima Titanium are sold at massive discounts, sometimes 60 to 80% off. Genuine titanium products are expensive to manufacture, so these prices look too good to be true. 2. No brand background or company details. The website avoids providing a real business address, company name, or owner information. Legit brands always share who they are. Scammers hide behind blank pages. 3. Newly registered domain. These suspicious shops often use freshly created websites and disappear after a few weeks. If Taima Titanium was a real brand, it would have a long online presence, reviews, and history. 4. No real customer reviews. The website may show fake 5-star reviews, but there are no independent reviews on Google, Trustpilot, or YouTube. No customer proof equals major warning sign. 5. Limited or fake contact information. Most scam stores list generic emails or incomplete contact pages. If they don't provide phone support or a valid return address, chances are you'll never receive your order. Based on patterns from similar scam websites, customers may place an order, receive a confirmation email, and then nothing. No shipping updates, no tracking number, and no product arrives. Some people receive a cheap, low-quality item that's nowhere close to what was advertised. Refunds? Customer support usually ignores messages. Chargebacks become the only option. With all the red flags, huge discounts, missing company details, no customer proof, and suspicious domain age, Taima Titanium looks like a high-risk scam website. If you're thinking of buying titanium cookware, stick to trusted brands sold on Amazon official brand websites. Reputable retailers. Don't risk your money on unverified stores. Final verdict. TaimaTitanium.com does not appear to be a safe or legitimate place to buy titanium cooking products. It shows too many scam signs, and I strongly recommend avoiding it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to warn others. This is Online Scam Advisor, keeping you safe from online fraud. See you in the next video. If you want, I can also create title, "Thank you."